Well, unlike some of these other guys who make these bold forecasts, yes, part of my books is I do write about what I talk about. So came out in 2013, Rich Dad's Prophecy. And it says why the biggest stock market crash in history, this is 2013, is still coming. I got to change the book now, it's here. And the reason I could predict it is because, as you know, in 2008, they didn't fix the problem. They made it worse. And so today I'm more bullish than ever on gold and silver and oil, hard assets. But I can back it up, unlike some of the other guys. I said that. It's in my book, 2013. And this is my concern here. Being an old guy, a baby boomer, this is the other book I wrote with a man named Ted Siddell. And it's our pensions are being looted. So the baby boomers are in serious, serious trouble. And that's my concern. And then, we're talking about it. I went to school not too far from where you're sitting right now in New York. I was on Long Island. I went to the U.S. Merchant Marine Academy at Kings Point, New York. So in 65, I had to read this book here. And so my economics teacher at the academy was a West Point graduate. I was Kings Point, and he flew B-17s in World War II. So when I was 18 years old, but I read this book here, 65, and 66, I was in Vietnam. And I could see this book coming true. So Capitalist Manifesto is only what has transpired. This book is only like 50 pages, but everything this book, what Marx predicted, is coming true today. And that's my concern. I'm an old guy, I'm a boomer. And today there's about 50 million boomers who have retired. And I think we got 250 more to go. So every day, 10,000 more retire. My concern is it's all been predicted. So this here is a Capitalist Manifesto, and it kind of looks like this book here. What it says right here, it says in 1959, being a boomer, this is what Nikita Khrushchev said. He was a premier of Moscow, Russia. It says, your children's children will live under communism. 1959, he was telling us this. He says, you Americans are so gullible. No, you won't get communism outright. We'll just keep you feeding you small doses of socialism. And Khrushchev was warning that. And as you'll finally wake up and you'll find that you have communism. So today we're finding out we already have communism. And it says, we will not have to fight you. We will weaken your economy. This is 1959, this guy Khrushchev, it's right in the back of the book. We will weaken your economy until you fall like overripe fruit into our hands. So that's this book here. It's just packed full of warnings we had. But as you know, as my friend Donald Trump says, it's all fake news today. We don't hear any of this stuff. Of course, I'm buying more gold and silver because, people complain to me. I write about in Capitalist Manifesto, these are U.S. Marine Corps wings. I was flying in Vietnam when Nixon took the dollar off the gold standard. So when I was flying in Vietnam, I didn't know what gold was because Americans don't know. So I'm a Marine pilot. I go behind enemy lines and I'm talking to this little Vietnamese woman with red, orange teeth, because they eat betel nuts. And because gold was 35 an ounce, it was now $50 an ounce the day I was talking to her behind enemy lines. Really, Marines aren't the brightest guys. So I'm trying to negotiate $50 down to $40. It went from 35 to 50, and I was trying to buy it at 40. And she gives me this little grin with those red teeth. She goes, spot, spot. And I go, what the hell spot? I'm a college graduate. What is spot? I didn't know. So ever since then, I've become a hardcore gold bug because I realized if this little woman, in Vietnam behind enemy lines knew what gold was, how come we don't? And that's when, you shouldn't ever talk to me about should you buy, as Warren Buffett says, never ask an insurance salesman if you need more insurance. Okay. I'm a gold bug. You need more gold. That's all I'm saying. So I don't care what the stock markets are doing. Every time the price of gold goes down or silver goes down, I'm happy because I buy more. Today I have tons of gold and silver because I have gold mines and I have silver mines.